Hey, I'm Elsa. I live full-time in this Scamp trailer with Baron and my dog Camp, and one of the ways that I make money on the road is by selling stickers that I design. One of my wood stickers is sold in REI across the country, and two of my stickers are sold in Bass Pro Shops. Same thing, across the country, thanks to my friends at Dust City Designs. Hey guys, love you, miss you. As most of you know, I have been living my American dream, being a snowbird out in Arizona throughout the winter. And I have, of course, been super inspired by nature out here, and especially the cacti. So I have come up with a bunch of new Arizona sticker designs. Check out those stickers and all of my other stickers on my website at elsarhae.com. And also, something very new I have never done before. I worked on a collaboration with one of my good friends, Nikki Fenn. She and I have face painted together for a few years. She came out to visit me in Arizona and we did a bunch of art. And one day we made a beautiful Arizona-inspired landscape that we turned into prints. Nikki has gold leafed each one by hand. These are truly one-of-a-kind prints. If you're interested, you can find those as well on my site. Go check out Nikki and all of her accounts that I have listed in the YouTube description below. I hope you like all of this new stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.